Hi, this is Allison Pryor, and today I'm going to show you how to blend a beautiful blue sky. And I'm going to use I have a Bristol brush here, and the size could be a size 12. It depends on the brand that you're using, so it's hard to tell you, but just look, it's not a real big brush. And what I'm doing is, I am dipping into a blue paint, that's ultramarine blue. And I'm going to start at the top, and you can go back and forth, long strokes. If you do that, go back and forth, then you will be able to get a nice smooth look to your painting. So see how pretty that is? Now, next thing you're going to do is you're going to add a little bit of white to it. So you got white on your brush, and now you're going to go underneath what you just did, and you're going to go back and forth, long strokes, long strokes. There we go. And then you're going to go right back up into the top again. And that will blend it all beautifully. So you get the top is a bit darker, and you still have blue coming off your brush. And then as you go down, as the way the skies are, they're darker at top, and then as you get close to the horizon, they get lighter. So now I added more white to my brush, and I'm going back and forth, long strokes, back and forth. See? Just gliding back and forth, long strokes. Some people like to use crisscross strokes, which work fine. But if you're a beginner, sometimes you can't get these crisscross strokes to work. But this way, you're guaranteed to get a beautiful blended sky without any streaks and without any, separations in colors, and it all blends beautifully. And as long as the paint is wet, so you have to work while it's wet. Acrylics dry pretty fast, so you have to keep adding paint. You have to keep working back and forth your long strokes. And that way you'll get a beautifully blended sky. So this is great for beginners. I'm using, like I said, acrylic paint. I like Liquitex, one of my favorites. And my brush is just, you can use a synthetic brush also. I'm adding more white, and I'm going to go to the very bottom to lighten that up even more. Because like I say, the sky is usually really, really light at the bottom. And this way you can have your bottom of your sky nice and white, very bright blue, and you can still go back and forth with your long strokes and go right back up to the very top of the canvas, because that keeps it all blended beautifully. And see how the top of the canvas don't lose its color? Just all blends, and so pretty and so easy. So if you're a beginner, you should practice this until you get a good feel for it, because once you get comfortable with your brush and your paints, then you will get some beautiful, beautiful skies. And you'll be able to do this with different colors. You'll be able to use maybe a blue on top, and then maybe a red in the middle, and then yellow at the bottom, and have a beautiful sunset. Or red at the top and yellow in the middle and white at the bottom. And you'd still have a beautiful, colorful sky, and they'll all blend beautifully. So you can try it with different colors. I do have other videos for beautifully blended sunsets, and I'll get that ready for you also. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope this helped you.